All right, guys, we got another really cool video. Really cool car here. So this is a full electric owner type Jeep from E. Francisco Corporation. So prototype pa lang to. Pero tara, let's check it out. Yo, lowered pa siya. Oh. So guys, this is just styled as a, as a owner type Jeep. Pero underneath, this is a full electric car. Oh, ang ganda pa ng rims niya. Nice. Ganda. Okay siya, oh. Tapos naka-bucket na, no? Sparko pa yan. Nice. Steering wheel. Nice. Okay. Yan, nakita ko na yan kahit naman before doon sa mga traditional na owner type seat natin. Kung kita mo, may LCD pa siya doon, no? Tapos, I suppose, yun yung gear shifter niya, no? Ayan. Diba yung